Brothers and sisters, the kind of evidence wey these people dey present these days, e dey shocking, e dey very shocking. Well, today own na video evidence. As una know, our principal Mr. Peter Obi, im own e go always come the court and e go sit down dey look as im people dey work for am. And well, before the court case start, you know, as im dey always do am, e go always present himself, say na him dey represent himself and the Labour Party. Today only be like say most of the evidence wey they wan show today na video evidence. Na why you see them dey bring in most of this big television wey they go take watch am there for court. Na the video be this. No forget to subscribe, drop a comment below.
Our principal is here. Sorry. You can see our principal is here. The party chairman, Chilos Abu is here. The great Chief Peter is here. Kimpela is here.
Okay.
Clarita.
Did I give them?
This is how the courts look right around.
Wait, don't stand up.
Sorry. You can see the setup at this point because there's going to be some, graphic displays of perhaps some of the evidences that is going to use today. You can see also on this corner. So everything is just taking shape. You can see.
Which one is this one again that this Labour Party people are bringing? Wow. Labour Party, what's going on? What's happening?
Since there's no option, what's next
What are these people bringing today? My heart is beating on behalf of everyone in this courtroom. See what Labour Party is bringing to the courtroom. Guys. Hey, Jesus Christ. Come, I'm begging the entire country. Nobody should steal from Peter Obi again. Nobody should steal from this man again. I'm begging you people today, please.
So let's arrange what we have here. Let's play.
More evidences and another bag that is going to
Okay, let's arrange it.
all the principalities away from this country.
Give this one down. Let's get this video and